Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Toyota Yaris side mirrors. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. For manual mirrors, you will physically move the mirror glass. For power mirrors, locate the control switch, usually on the driver's door panel. Proper adjustment significantly reduces blind spots, making your driving experience much safer. Let's get started with the basics of mirror positioning. For Toyota Yaris models with manual side mirrors, the process is straightforward. Sit comfortably in your usual driving position. Reach out and gently push the edge of the mirror glass to move it. On the driver's side, adjust the mirror so you can just barely see the rear quarter panel of your car. Repeat this for the passenger's side, aiming for a similar minimal view of your vehicle's body. This technique maximizes your field of vision. If your Toyota Yaris has power side mirrors, you'll find the control switch on the driver's door panel. First, select whether you want to adjust the left or right mirror using the selector switch. Then, use the directional pad to move the mirror glass up, down, left, or right. Aim to position the mirror so the horizon line is approximately in the middle, and you can just see the very edge of your car. This provides an excellent balance of rear and side visibility. After adjusting both your side mirrors, take a moment to double-check their positioning from your normal driving posture. A quick head check over your shoulder will help confirm that your blind spots are minimized. Remember, properly adjusted mirrors are a crucial part of safe driving, but they don't replace the need for vigilance. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Drive safely, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.